Hello, so in this video I want to show you how to blur an object in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is go into CapCut and then click on create a project. And then you want to import your video. So I just uploaded my video and then you want to add it to the timeline. So I just added my video to the timeline, and in this video I want to show you how to blur the number plate or license plate on a car video. So as you can see here I have the video where the car is driving. So for me to blur the number plate or license plate, I need to click on Effects and search for the effect Blur. And then I want to add the blur effect to my video, and I want to do it to the whole video. So if I start the video now, it's all completely blurred. So the next thing I want to do is go up to export the video, and I just want to call it blurring car video. I want to save it to my desktop, 1080p, and then just click on export. After I just export the video, I then want to import the video I just made. And then I want to add it to the timeline. I then want to remove the blur effect on the first video, like this. I then want to grab the blurred video and put it over the original video. I then want to click on the blurred video and click on video and click on mask. And here I want to click on add mask. And I want to take the rectangle mask, and then I want to suit it for the number plate like this. Like I'm just cropping it so it's only the number plate that is going to be blurred in this video. Then I want to go to the start of the video, and then I want to put my blurring to the number plate, and then I want to go down to the position and add a keyframe. Then I want with my right arrow to go a little bit in front of the video and fit the blur rectangle to the license plate like this, and just keep going. Just a few taps every time, and then make the rectangle blur suit to the license plate. So I have now added all the keyframes to my rectangle blur. So I now play the video. You can see it's only the license plate or number plate that is blurred in the whole video. So that's how you blur an object in CapCut.